Hey, this is Dylan with Repair Spots, and today I'm going to be showing you how to void your sale in order to give your customer a full or partial refund on a sale that has been made. So, in order to do that, we're going to first navigate to the sales screen by going to the menu on the side and going to Sales and Reports. Here we'll be able to see all of the sales that have been made today. So we can go to whatever sale it is that we're going to be voiding any amount of. So we'll go to this sale right here. Here we'll see the sales information on that sale, the customer it's linked to, the employee that made the sale, the invoice ID, and the payment type. So we'll be voiding this amount. Now to do a full void and full refund to the customer in cash, this will be left alone. This is the total amount that was paid and no changes need to be made. However, if you only wanted to void a certain amount from it, so let's say for example we were going to void $20, we go 20 and void. Now this will be translated into the report, so we have minus $20 cash that is voided. When we see the reports and we go to end of day, that will be translated into the total, so there will be $20 less that are required to finish your cash out sale. Now if this was also a credit or debit sale instead of cash, then it would also translate to your sale relative to that payment type.